Yeah man, alright then. Hi my people, Jah people, blessed love. Give a thanks, much love. Alright, Daniel Marshall there on the infrastructure work on my own project. Alright, today, Monday, January 3rd, 2022. Alright, there's a lot of things we have accomplished, and you want to know my New Year's resolution? Let me show the item, my New Year resolution. 1. I'll get my mouth fixed this year. Maybe sooner than later. That's 1. 2. I need to get my driver's license. 2. Because my own project done now. My ex almost done. I expect to have some visitors from overseas, some of the eyes them seeing, some of my good friends. Alright. Yeah, me that try me set up a and BNB account. See, so yeah, you know, mine just do a BNB thing, you know. Yeah, because I'm really excited to meet some of the eyes them on a real base. I'm excited to bring back the item to Jamaica, keep the item safe and host the item. The item has been so good to Daniel Marshall. I really appreciate love the item on a real base. So those are 2 of my New Year's resolution. I have a bump on the back of my head there, so we get a surgery on it. So I want to take care of all that. So my health is one of the main things. I want to get my teeth and the head back. Otherwise, I'm good. I don't have no internal problem. I don't think I have no bone problem or too much of a knee problem or something not like that still. But we intend to do those 3 things: my teeth, driver's license, and the surgery on the head back. Yeah. So anyway, we have to jump in our work and the item know, you know, I put on a lock on this door. Alright, make sure that's secure. And then I'll go back on that door over there and deal with the lock over there. It needs to be set up more better than what it is, but it can stay for now. And then the front door, I'm going to hook up the front door lock, because the front door already hooked on. We just need to set in the lock. We never set in the lock because the place is still open. But if we lock it from inside, they can't open from outside because we don't have the outside angle on it, but we're going to put on the outside angle today. So now, we're going to just deal with the door and the lock. Now, then tomorrow we jump back. Because I have to jump here and there, you know. You see, I have to hop and skip, you know. A leap, you know, leap or giant step, yeah. So yeah, tomorrow go back in the kitchen here and get that done. So without further delay, I'm gonna start work on this. Take out that. That. You got the lock here. This is a lock I bought. I did bought a lock for the bedroom door, but when I realized it didn't have no key, it's a privacy lock, it didn't have no key. Because I misunderstand it. It kind of look like this one, but when you check it out, not no key, so I said, so I just buy this one to switch it out and change it and realize that what we needed 2 of them. So I just get this and leave this and put this one out here and leave the bedroom lock for now. Alright, so I can open this package up. And I just work. Just job works. parts. Yeah. These locks are some basic basic locks, but you have other complicated ones. Alright, so if it's a new starter, you need to use this paper. In fact, anyway, you need to use this paper to install the lock because there's a certain way you have to do it. Alright. Hang tight. Alright, see that on my people. We can't keep that little secret away because we still have the insulation paper, you know, but I'm gonna work with this. I'm gonna work from this piece to get the measurement where to bore that hole in the door. Right? Not this one yet. This one, not, I won't bore this hole yet. The hole for this one is going in the, no, boring the one that goes through the door, like here. Right there. Alright, so see the thing that's over there. You just put it on the side right there, so. See, and you get the center of this hole. And bore right in the center. But the drill bit go right in the center of this, which is here. That right, that's right. So, me ready, you ready, Una ready, come. Alright, my people, so I just show you how to bore a lock, a door lock, without the proper tool like I have this piece. You find the center of it, and if you have a pointed enough pencil or even a nail can mark the hole. And once you get this on the door like that, see me? All this back here. So this is your center. You're going to start bore from. Everything I've cut around this. And then you find the center in here, so now to it. You bore it. Alright? It's not too hard to do. Yeah? But the bit is the proper thing. Right, you see, man? We'll go back, man. Alright, my people, job people, and me, this man, the feeling away, Daniel Marshall from the infrastructure work. Watch you now. No feel away, man. I just saw the things. This I like my white brother, John. See, but only thing John have a whole heap of beard down there, so. I tell you, say the man I heal cancer, you know. Must know a real natural thing, the man I deal with. Natural herbs, natural medicine, seeing. Real man, seeing. Big up yourself, John. Alright now my people, here we are going now. So no feeling with my people, you see. Alright, my wife bring it come with my son shirt. And my son shirt. I not tell you that. She bring it come to me, it's weird. And I want work shirt, so I just a work tonight. And you see like how it's strapped to my body, it feel good. Seeing, so the time I come when me I go out, I go design, remember so I have my own brand of shirt too, you know. Seeing, so big up John for many reasons, and even the reason is still because John reason with me to bring up the boom shot line, the clothing line. So I have the shirt, I have some shirt design already, and what else? The art. So all these print, all these things, and cup, mugs, all these memorabilia, all these things I go start with me thing on, seeing, so the item, it's just a matter of time, seeing, that's why I hurry up and I rush to get this thing out of the way, get this house out of the way, seeing, so I can secure my things, and I don't know, so I can manifest and do what I have to do, alright, but, alright, so we're there, so in idea, my people, we jump on the work, you know, and we work on this door, the lock, and the door, I mean expose the door to the item, because many people, ones and ones might be interested in these doors. So it's Kemlan and Mart doors. So see, this is a brand. See, and that's all the label that come with it. The locks didn't come with an instruction manual in it, so you have to figure it out. But if you want, you know, and I think now is the time for hurry to get them doors, because once them gone out, me not think it will happen again. So it's a made exclusively for Kemlan and Mart. That's all me say. Jamaica. Kemlan and Mart, made exclusively for Kemlan and Mart, Jamaica. That's all the labeling, Mr. Panel. So I'm gonna go ahead and deal with the lock. I'm gonna take it off back. And set it up back properly. Alright. So I put the cover back, everything. And restart again. Okay, so these didn't come with any screws. These didn't come with any screws. The other one come with a screw. But alright, so this is the thing now. See here? Right there? Alright, I'll get the screw. Alright, so the screw here. Okay, look now. Alright, this lock gonna be like that. See? This is how this lock is gonna stand. Because me turn it upside down. Alright, because me have the reason I had a comment, someone said that I hung the door on the wrong side. But I can choose the side which I wanted to hang on. And the side that I choose to hang on, which is the best side, which is this side. I want you to understand, because if I hang the door on this side, alright, to open this, it's gonna eventually block out this area, which this area on the right, which I don't need that area to be blocked out, because that area is accessible to walk around to the front. And the thing is, better me block this area. I can better go around it like here. See, come let me show the item. Alright, see, if me hang the door on this side, when it open, it's gonna open on this way like that. So this entrance, all of this area is gonna be blocked off. I cannot afford that area to be blocked off when the door is open. So it's better me hang it on this side. Better me hang it on this side where I can even access around it, even like that. Understand me? And it's best to block this area than this one. All right, I can't do it because they make it where you have a choice. So, all right. So now this is how it's gonna hang on the inside like that. See. So we want the lock to be like this, right? See, so you see where I'm gonna put the screw now? That is how the screw is gonna be, right there, right there, right there like that. All right, see that now? All right, so now me figure it out. Yeah, me figure it out. Thank you, no. Blessed. All right, so. This no have no them no have no screw. Them no have no screw, so them alright. Alright with them there. Yes, I can put them on back here now. It's on both sides. This is spring. See what happened? What happened is the spring right here slip away from this. Alright. So this will keep it in place. Alright. Yeah, man. You need 2 hands to do this. Alright, that can work. that can work. So let's screw it back together now. So that is it. This door, this lock is gonna be like just like that. See? It's alright. No, the thing is with this one is alright. You see the space? You see all that? One of the them can see it good. Come on, look a bit closer. You see all the space? And we need to take this away from the wall like that to about that. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, make it even now. See? There's too much space out there. Alright, so I'm gonna balance when we get the balance and we're gonna get the concrete ready. And then we're gonna get it stabilized and just dash some concrete in it. Yeah man, bless up.